Hey there, partner. Guess what? This news, we better turn our hats on a little backwards. And, whoa, it's a doozy. Check out this video first, and then I'll explain. So meanwhile, in Detroit, Michigan, they had got flooded, then it froze up. Wow, that just knocked my hat off. Well, here's what really happened. The reason why they had the flood is because a water line that was installed, wow, back in the 1930s, man. No wonder it busted. A water line from the 1930s busted. And it flooded, and then it got down into the low 20s, and it froze up. So to go to your neighbors, you gotta ice skate, man. Just skating around. But the good news is the people that's over the water, the city people, or whatever you call it, people, yeah, them people, I'm country, I ain't gotta deal with that. But anyways, they said they'd help pay for people's property damage. Oh, and there's one more thing, let's not forget. We're in the cold zone. The police, here's a picture of a polar bear cruising up and down the street. Wow, they got polar bears. Can I pet them? Michigan is cold. Whoa. Wow. Well, I forgot my face marking. It's chilly. I'm inside. Okay, that's the news for today. For the Hillbilly John Hook vlog. Have a blessed day.